Hello there mga ka-TCM Karas. I am Marie Cristin Palomado, your host. And for today, we are here at El Salvador City Hall to interview one of the candidates that will be running for the position of City Councilor for the upcoming election 2025. In this video, we will know his vision for the people and also we will know his experiences that mold him into what he is now. But before I proceed to our video, I would like to make a disclaimer first that this video is purely educational purposes and not a campaign material. And without further ado, let's get started.
Good day, everyone. I am Councilor Rafael Pedro Baculio of El Salvador City, currently serving my first term as a member of the City Council of El Salvador City.
Mag-ask lang ko sir if unsa nga position ang imong dagan kakarong election?
I am seeking for my second term as City Councilor in the City of El Salvador.
Pila na pud ka years nga kuan sir?
I started way back year 2007 and then until 2013 and then nibalik ko 2022.
Lang me ask about sa imong position sir nga imong daganan. Since we know manggid sir nga nagid kay mga ka-kompetensya, what do you think nga makaingon gid ka nga I am deserving good ani nga position?
I have been in the public service for almost 14 years na, since year 2002, ever since I represented the youth sector as their SK Federation President here in the city. And Federation President is an ex-officio member in the City Council, so you will sit there as a member of the Sangguniang Panlungsod together with the other councilors way back. So I was exposed at an early age already. Since year 2002. So taod-taod po, mga 5 years sad sa SK Federation, and until I ran as a regular member of the City Council in the year 2007, and I got a seat as a regular member. So I eventually resigned as SK Federation President and assumed office as City Councilor.
Yun sa man pud nimo pag-balance ang imong professional and personal relationship without compromising the responsibilities.
To balance your professional and personal relationship, okay, kung naa ka sa public service, daghan maghangyo, and sa personal pod nimo nga mga higala, naapoy mo hangyo. It all boils down to use the legal means ra gyud. Mura gyud na ako matambag, no.
Unsa man pod ang imong ginaplan sir to lead by example in showing that every voices has the power to create change?
In every ordinance or mga resolutions nga atong ipasar sa konseho, one, we must take the lead. So for example, kining sa mga rules nato sa dalan, as a public official, kita mismo ang mag-adhere sa ani nga mga balaod nun.
So unsa man pod ang imong message sir nga you would like to share to those people who believe in your leadership and vision?
I would like to thank everyone sa katawhan nga padayon og pagsalig sa ako. There is no such thing as a perfect public servant. But we are trying to do things extraordinarily para people will appreciate the developments o kung sa ato ang mahatag. One term is very short. Kay tulo lang man ka tuig ang ato ang kuan sa balaod. So dili pwede dili na sad ka pwede mo sobra og 3 years, since magpa-re-elect na sad ka, just like me karon magpa-re-elect na sad ko on my second term. So depende na gid sa katawhan. Okay, the people will have the last say come May 2025.
Yes.
Kung tagaan na pud ta og lahi na pud nga mandato sa katawhan nga makalingkod.
Regarding sa imong gikuan ganin sir nga about sa 3 years ra ang
Yes.
kuan sa balaod. So, if, for example, sir, if makamake ko karong balaod, nabay possibility na ma-change siya sa other.
Ang mga ordinances nung gibuhat sa sanggunian, they will remain as an ordinance. Maskin pa og mawala nami sa posisyon, maskin pa og madili nami
Mainis.
mailisan mi puhon yun na or di na mangdaog. The ordinances nga mapasar sa matag termino will remain. They will be permanent in nature and they will have the force and effect dinhi sa ato ang syudad.
So, di lang gyud siya ma-change sir.
Yes.
Once nga mapasar na siya sa
Yes,
kuan as
exactly.
ordinance.
As long as it is passed as an ordinance.
Okay, sir. Sir, thank you so much, sir. And lastly, sir, unsa man imong message, sir, for this coming election because, sir, sa kuan as a whole.
I generally pray for a peaceful election, and also the people will choose the right candidates nga magdumala dinhi sa amo ang dakbayan sa El Salvador.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir, ha. Sa
Thank
imong
you, thank you,
pag-kuan sa mga
thank you,
tanong.
thank you,
so much, sir.
thank you,
Thank you, sir.
thank you very much.